That was the first round. Hapana sina jipande. Hapana sina. We're not done now. Right, sponsor.
Yes, Father.
Takwenda ku second round.
Right, but
before that, yes, sir.
The judges have to do them thing here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right.
So that we can proceed to the next round.
Iya takwenda hii. Taku disqualify a road to final anditi. Right. You. Let's get on. Kick those butter.
Already, let's go to the match right here. Who do you want to say match? 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 But you got a car over here the week. I didn't let you think that you get fatter. I'm a mother who will open the Kakaka. I think the Patani will not get Kakaka. I'm going to tell you about one quarter. Let them not say. Go back to the Putika. Go back to the Putika. It's in my banana, another kind of man. Yeah, crazy. James Imagine, one go. So we say, Dakasanga never be like Gaza, the Patasia, so good I to be a Pamata. But about Kandu, the Kandi, but the number of Fayasa, who is to come out. Yeah, make them not say. What on fire? That you know you must take a sense up to the Tamanapo. The Capita will come up with the Timon and Matapo. Like the Ritu to the Yara Mbare, this on the Jambon of the Amaska. And he's the Papa, you know what I'm up on the level. Keep them all of them.
Come here.
Alright, so let's just stop it.
Alright, small the link up here. Disqualification round.
We don't want to buy a team.
Yeah, man. Elimination round. Sponsor.
Yes, Father.
You want to do it?
Do it, my youth.
Mexican. Ginger Sparta.
One on. What's the name of this artist, Father?
Mexican.
Right. All those who say Mexican can proceed to the next round. Let me see your hands in the air right now. You have seen it, right?
Yeah. That do say Ginger Sparta.
Can I say,
what are you here, please?
we know what's much on time. Congratulations, my brother. You have proceeded to the next round.
Yeah, okay.
My way here. Feel yourself.
Right. Rodney Killer, Mr. Retreater. Come here.
Too soon, right? Dakashaka kushatiwa, kutukuta kutuzibiwa. Hakia pana kuna kiwa, chukua dipano. Chicha, kitani kutauwa. Nakutitani chiliki mzoro kine huwa. Ndogolo, nakutuwa kuke mujolo. Kuchiita tumaboro mromaji. Christmas yenu chaitamina kwa mzoro. Kuchiita kuchukuforo. Ngoma ndakalota. Peke Mbare, patani pake kori mchina. So, patina left, you got the all right. That got a pump to the biscuit to get tight. But he knew
Alright, family, come here. Step up front. Come here. I've seen it, my judges. Alright, you are not biased. Ready. You are good at what you are doing. Really and truly. Keep it up. Alright, sponsor. As a right about now, you start there. One and there. Alright. Let me do it. Alright, ready? Alright, Rodney, Kinnah, you put on next round, Mr. Zvaitirwa. Alright, let's take it to your room. We are taking it to the next level right now. And this is the final part, Rodney. Alright. Soldier, defend yourself. Okay. One go. Ninapenda kutoka ungetombe tiki kufle party mkunge nilemejiki Cherobaka mjimba mkana abatiki Kota nika unaombe mapatiki Akabuka menimo Ushaika maposa rile 1.4 Mbare unga jogarako Andizipa mzenga niripa kukanda Seo Amana diki mama kusaita Kuno kuMbare akuti kutitutita Tati nati muno baro waketa Tati nini tena kumezeka Hii ya kukola bebo Masizo sana Kopa wawana kudia Na upana umeshot Andu kutara chagundura Ujawana kutika kumbago Kaja mona Nukana era keskanya iya Tati handu mundo kutanda ura Mapasi mete mupapandi daia Mete ropo pamandi Ija dupam Tikuri mwana mbiki Makashika nezuro Amunaka na viki Mapiri mumasita Kutoke joni wiki Mapamba maposha Mayo Wabu jajuri mwana mudiki Jokete utapa Unesko tiki Jadini Ilse papa Nasani uneseji kwa Nini kruga Kumba pinda basa ili nichipenda Tanji toa ili nikitoka kwa You are the judges, right? Utimana? Young Kruger? Young Kruger, congratulations. Utimana, big up yourself. Alright, right about now. You start morning. Spot for you, right? Alright. Papaya. Atitata ekwano. Ede unoshamiza. Shonjo kumiza dino kwaniza. Jamba wetu wandino mamiza. Wanotaiza kumokino waflaiza. Hey, oh, nitwe mjoma. Pakuro makumanduri mdoro. Kanada chikapasi mabogoro ndini spakfala. Na wana chipawamira, wamamira. Wana papakasta, wakupeku tikira. Wawamuna sino sienda kudakura. Uri mana mode kidikito kuchepesa. Atupaki ano yipasi na kuke. Wanipana ano fura pasi na furike. Nane mtindi wa bacha ndi furuke. Katika fura chapira mtone keke. Tobura marata, Tapsobura Tita Putindo to Sakata, Taipapa Mandinosia, that almost a better than Putu Mangomina, that's all about it. No matter what I pick up late and white, you go to the guys up, they don't be a kite. So you go to my back, you have to write it. Yeah, what's it on? Link up here. Link up here. You come here.
We won't do this one quick and fast.
No time to waste.
This artist, can he proceed to the next round? Can he proceed to the next round? Can he proceed to the next round?
All right,
thank you, Mbare.
Do it. This one, can he proceed? Okay,
thank you, Mbare.
Right now.
Step aside, my youth.
Right now. Abadaguchaga Adomira Mbare National Cup Clash.
Yeah,
those 21 December.
Yes, I am Mbare.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Rodney Killer.
Indigenous Sparta.
Report.
Alan, no. Young Kruger. Indigenous Sparta, link up.
My judges, they're good at their name, boys. Easier. Let's show some love to all these upcoming youths. Let's pave their way. Right to the youth. Time to shine. Prove them wrong. Do yourself. One fighter. This is yaKinnah with Sparta. To put it right at the level. Let them know say. One fighter. To get to Kira, take it to put a Kiputa, Mbare, Kuta, Pita, Kuta. Kauya Kutona, Kabana, Kuta, Burazini, never pass a Kerula, and the Kurani, and the Jambata, the Muzola, the Pata, and the Rona Pata, the Kanzi, and the Hakuna Matata.
Right, like I said before, down at Kuchaga, who don't such 21 December, National Cup Clash. So do it, do it.
I started to my left. Can this artist proceed to the next round, Mbare? Show me yours. Alright. Can this artist proceed to the next round? Give yourself fire. Give show love. And to
Wait here.
Right about now.
You come here. Rodney Killer. Rodney Killer. Link up. Right and down. I want your foot. I want your foot. Want your foot. Want your foot. Alright, big up VIP, yes, VIP. Alright, big up VIP. Alright, yeah, man, I mean, MC Smalls, I can't go to now. Alright, representing for Scotland, MC was there. I'm the dancer, rapper.
Banzo.
Yes, I am.
I'm the dancer referee.
Yeah, man.
That's why you see me put on this Scotland FC jersey.
Scotland,
Team of the moment.
All right, right about now, we don't wasting much of your time. Let's do it. Can Rodney Killer proceed to the next round? All right. All right. VIP. Can Rodney Killer proceed to the next round? All right. Let me do it here. Kenyan Cobra proceed. All right. Yeah, Cobra, big up myself. Let me kill a combo. Spotfire. Cobra. Ate Albert kuda wanaba. Alikwenda ku National Cup Clash. Why about that? When MC Smalls get on stage, we don't do bias things, we do it straight like an arrow. Right about now, Rodney Killer versus Spotfire. Alright, try now.
Barry man see to the full end. The upper TV right to the full end, yeah. Watch your Tyler. But who wants to be Bobby? So I hold up, I like to be. Even you want to be, I feel like I can't
Hey, here, I put up a down on Gano. Jamba, put on the good jump on Gano. Don't you do move, Babu. So when I put in the money on the
Who's in Preto? I'm not Faria. But I'm on a book.
Yo, jamani jione na nini kwa family. Oh yeah. Para watu, kukaro watu. So right about now, Zimbabwe, Mbare, Harare. Small. Dancer referee Gucci Ghana. 21 December. Tech promoters Scotland FC. Yes, I have. So right about now, Smalls. Can Rodney Killer proceed to the National Cup Clash? All right. VIP, turn around. All right. Miles. VIP, can Rodney Killer proceed to the National Cup Clash? Come here, this side down. Big up my brother Chandida. This side down. Next stage. Can he proceed? Can he proceed to the next round of this? Come here. All right, Sponsor. Can Spotfire proceed? Oh my God, big up somebody. So, it means what, Sponsor?
Rodney Killer. Flex like bounty killer. Kill him anytime I use.
Yeah, man.
Are your time to shine right now? So I need you to be serious with whatever you'll be doing.
So, you know what? So I say congratulations to you, Rodney Killer.
Yeah. Two tune, I need you to sing two tune.
Yeah, everyone.
Two tune, Miles.
Hold on, before. Hold on, dance, hold on.
Mbare. Rodney Killer.